Hey, good morning, guys. Welcome to today's live decoding session for BankNifty futures. Today is Friday, the 11th of August, 2023, and the time is 10:23. And I think we have a long weekend next week, so I would suggest everyone to just take some time off and just focus on something else rather than trading, because I think next week we have got some holidays and some expiries and all that stuff, right? So, okay, let me go first with what is the overall context. So, what's happening currently is, so first of all, this thing which you see on the left, basically what I've done is I have excluded this particular profile because this for me is where supply came in. We also have two areas of single print. So what I've done is I've just combined the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So basically this is a 6-day balance, and currently what I'm seeing is we are rejecting from the overall 6-day balance and exactly from the value area low. Not exactly, but we have got open equal to high, and the auction is just slowly and steadily moving lower, and it's trying to hit the 44,500 level. Again, that is a psychological line, and this is the zone where I'm seeing supply getting shutting off. So now on the chart on the right, so we also have got trapped buyers. So this is a green zone which suggests that there is a lot of trapped buyers, and the buyers are trapped above 741 plus in this particular auction which has happened. Okay, so we open equal to high, the auction moved lower, and currently we are forming a higher low, but we are developing sideways, and it has not yet taken out the previous swing level. So this is where a lot of SL orders or limit orders are liquidity is present currently. That is around 44,500 level. Okay, so I am not seeing any trades yet. We are just hovering around the 44,500 level, and overall we have supply overhead, and we are just developing sideways. Today there is Sensex expiry, so a lot of folks will be working on that or trading interested in that, but I'm just focusing on BankNifty, and we are just overall seeing some sort of balancing which is getting created. Okay, now let me go back to the market profile chart. So okay, so where the supply shut off was at the previous week low. Okay, so that is a market generated information why it did not broke the previous week low. So this is where supply shut off, and after this reaching this particular level, we went up, and we are just overall just balancing. So let me just clear this level. Let me mark the stops. Okay, so we are actually forming an inside bar. So A period, B period, C period, right? So no one is interested. And yesterday there was some RBI announcement, and nothing like yes, the expiry was nice, but apart from that, there was nothing new which happened. At the A period, we have got a lot of unfinished auctions. We are actually developing below the previous month low, and supply is shutting off at previous week low. And what are the other data points? So currently I'm seeing trapped supply below 44,540. So basically those who are trapped here, they are the ones who are buying currently. We also have got unfinished auction and trapped supply. Okay, so for me 44,540 is the zone, and now I have one level here, and 543 is another level. Okay, and there are stops. So basically we have got trapped buyers here, and there is liquidity present above VWAP. So no major change, we are just chopping around. Okay, A period, so this is not a single print yet. Let me just, so we also got open equal to high. So okay, so now the trade plan is what I'm looking at is, first of all, the reaction at 540 level, and second is this, we have a reference at previous week low. So who is coming and buying here? Yeah, basically there are shorts which are trapped below. So who are those shorts? Basically these are the shorts. Okay, Plus this is also a swing level, and 44,500 is also a round number. Okay, and see, if you see that 44,500 is the area where supply just got shut off, and now it is trying to move higher, but we have got trapped buyers above. So the trade plan is, does it look below and fail? Does it look below and continue? Another trade plan is, we have got a trapped buyer here. So does it look above and continue towards VWAP? And because previous day's low is also an area where there is a seller present. Okay, so yep, this is a 3-minute chart, and what I'm seeing is we have a trapped seller. We are getting acceptance around 44,500 level, and we are just hovering around VWAP. Okay, so we are trading in a 100-point range between 44,600 and 44,500. This is the 100-point range which we are chasing. And from the inventory perspective, the inventory is short. From the options perspective, the call is short, put is long. So call short, put short, meaning the overall options inventory is also short. Okay, call inventory currently, okay, so there is some acceptance seen at call, and we are just hovering around VWAP, and also the supply meter is also suggesting me no major change. Okay, so what can happen now is people will come in, I'm looking to see if it does it look above and continue, or does it look above and fail, because a lot of people, so what they will be looking at is, let me go back here. Okay, so this is a 10-second chart for the monthly contract, and there is a supply at 44,590. Okay, I think this chart is easy to understand. So what intraday traders, they will be doing it, right? So now the price is closed above VWAP, so they will be trying to chase this, look for a buy, targeting to sell at 44,600 and at previous day's low. I am not seeing a long trade, because you might be getting trapped, because currently this is a resistance zone, plus VWAP is also where there is supply, and we also have got previous day low where there is supply. So what I'll be looking at is, first, if the price goes above, right, does it have a bounce back and does it move higher? If it moves higher, yeah, you can take a call at 44,600, but odds are less. I don't know, these are markets change, options data also change, but does it look above and continue, or does it look above, invites more sellers and then it falls? Yeah, because currently this is where there is stops, liquidity. This is a resistance zone. This is where a seller is present. Again, this is where a seller is present. Okay, so now it has moved higher. So let's see, do we get continuation towards VWAP? Yes, some short covering is seen. We are developing above 44,600. I'm expecting a seller at VWAP and also at previous day's low. Okay, so let's see whether we get continuation higher. Overall POC is moving lower, so there is distribution from the seller side. There is some supply coming in. Okay, it should not go below this zone. If it goes, then it means that no fresh buying is coming in. Yeah, it is just hovering around this level. So let it hover. Let the market guide you and tell you what's happening. Don't be too eager to, jump or take any trades. Yeah, you saw this, right? So this is a good short now. I am looking to take a short here, keeping my SL here, targeting this zone. So this is now, earlier this is still a resistance zone, and I'm looking for it to grab the liquidity around VWAP and also this level. So let's see, this candle is going to close in next 40 seconds. Okay, so do we get a big red candle or do we just hover around it? Let's observe. But the delta order flow is suggesting me that this level, it shouldn't break, it has broken this. So I'm now expecting continuation lower. First is 540, second target is this, third target is 500, and fourth target is this. Overall delta is also negative. So let's see, I can move my stop here, but there is a seller at 44,600. So I'm just waiting and watching and see whether where's the close of this particular candle. It's again trying to come here. It is moved higher. Okay, so I'll be just exiting. So this is a loss which I made. I'll take a long trade exiting here. But I'm still not confident. Yep, I'll just wait. So I was actually looking to buy 44,200 call. It went to 439 and then dropped to 435. Yeah, 4-point drop. So that's why I'm not so keen. Yeah, not getting the confidence. Even Delta is supporting, but I'm not feeling confident. Not feeling comfortable to execute a long trade. Yep, see, it's just hovering. Yeah, so I'm not comfortable. Still have 10 minutes left before the D period opens. So just watching. So there is a seller at 44,600. Just go to a micro time frame chart. Yep, from the price action perspective, we are in the zone of supply. Okay, so does this level hold? Let's see. So more buyers are coming in now. And is again developing below that. So what's happening right now is there is a seller here, there are stops here, again a seller here. We can have a short covering move. I'm not saying it won't happen. But there is a seller coming in at 44,600. Okay, so it is just hovering below where the buyers are trapped. So currently the buyers are the ones who are trapped. Now, so there are stops here and there are stops here. Okay, so we are in a nice range. Call inventory is still short, put inventory is long, so overall auction is bearish. Also the call premiums are higher compared to put. So 44,200 call is at 421 and the 44,600 put is at 336. So there's 100 rupees. Call premiums are 100 rupees higher. So let's see, do we get a red bar and do we take out the liquidity here and then we continue higher towards previous day's low. Let's see. Yep, it's moving lower. Come on. 540 is here. So does it move below the 267 level? It is just hovering. 7 minutes left before the D period starts. So I'm looking to get price move lower below VWAP. Does it break VWAP or not? Yep, it is moving lower. Come on. So 540 is the first level. Yep, it is breaking VWAP. It is going to hunt the liquidity. Now I'm going to wait for this candle to close because this will guide me. So I'm looking for continuation. So what I mean by continuation is once the VWAP is broken, do we see continuation lower, or does it look look below and fail? Yeah, because now this is going to invite some shorts. They will keep their SL here, and then they will be taking the prices higher. Okay, so the close is above VWAP. Let's see. So we have got trap supply, we have got trap buyers. Still 5 minutes left before the D period opens. Okay, so it is above, so it looked below and failed. So the structure is, so inventory is short, we are having higher lows. Yep. So what might happen is we might fall till 540. Again, some responsive buying can come in. So let's see. Currently just hovering around VWAP. Okay, so I've taken a long call. Okay, so now we will be seeing the short covering. Okay, so this is the trade which I'm in. Currently I'm in profit. I'm waiting for it to move up, but not. There is supply coming in here. Okay, let's see what happens. Supply is coming in. Okay, I'll just wait. Okay, I'm not feeling comfortable. Just should I close this? I'm still thinking. So there is a seller which is coming in. There is a buyer here. And yep, I think I'm going to make a loss in this trade. Yep, calls are falling now, falling faster. Again, it is coming to the resistance zone. There is supply is getting absorbed. I think I'll close this because supply is getting absorbed. Again, it went here. Supply is coming in. But if it goes above, right, we will have a short covering move and I will hit my target. Okay, I'll just wait. It is confusing. So 9 seconds left. Good absorption. Okay, I'm gonna close this. Yep, I've closed this. Okay, so what have I made? I've just made 33 bucks. Entered at 427, exited at 429. Yep, supply is coming in strong. Now this is a resistance zone. So that was the reason why, so this was just a test trade to understand the auction. Yeah, what is happening currently. Okay, so it is still hovering around. Supplier or supply is present here based on the delta, and we might have a short covering, but okay, I'm fine with my 33 bucks made, even though I'll be in a loss because of the brokerage, because out of 33, 40 will be brokerage plus yeah. Hey Christian, hi, thank you for commenting. Okay, so yep, again it is moving higher. So this is where there is liquidity. We might have a short covering. Let me go to a smaller time frame and seeing the price action, right? There's a seller here, there's a buyer here, there's a seller here, there's a buyer. So nothing much has changed. And I was expecting continuation lower, but nope, it's not happening. It's just developing sideways. Okay, so just one trade taken, and it will be a loss, like a loss, because this is the fires account, and yeah, it is not. I have to pay 20 rupees for one, so 40 rupees is going to be the brokerage. Okay, that's fine, plus taxes and all. Yeah, so I lost about 20 bucks, 10 rupees or 20 rupees max. Okay. Yep, so today's supply is still strong. Yep, so now I'm just looking at VWAP. Does it break with tempo, with intensity? Because the level which I'm looking at is 543, which is here, right? 540, 543. This is the period, basically the C period low. Below that is where we have got trapped sellers. So again, do we get some responsive buying or not? Put is telling me to go long, but I'm not confident yet. So 44 200 call. Currently I'm seeing a buy at 415. It is at 420. But nope, I'm just going to wait and watch. We are in a range. Okay, so this is the range which we are. Okay, so I'm expecting supply above 44,600 and supply shutting off at 560. So okay, I'll wait at 560 because whoosh, what will happen is it will come and it will, is it this way or is it look below and fail again? We also had look below and fail previously. Again, supply is coming in strong. So this is where there is a seller and this is where there is a buyer. Okay, this is where they are going to buy and this is where they are going to sell. So I'm just going to see what happens. Currently I'm seeing supply coming in strongly. Overall delta is also negative. Structurally we are just balancing, we are just developing sideways. VWAP is also flat, indicating good day for straddle strangle players. So you can sell ITM, sell OTM, and yeah, you can mint some money today. Okay, so the time is 10:49. Yep, so supply is coming in, but this is also where there was previously some sellers which are trapped. This is where there are trapped buyers. So supply is getting absorbed again. Where they are getting absorbed is at VWAP. Again, we are just we are in a micro balance, and this is the support zone which is at 561 and I level is at 560. Okay, let's see. We are developing like a B-shape profile. B-shape indicates liquidation, you know, so the longs are the ones who are exiting. Yep, it's going to break VWAP now. Just hovering around VWAP. Let me just look at the Y. Yep, so we are at an area where the puts are the ones which are trapped. So we are hovering around 44,400 and we also got lower where puts are interested to buy. Yep, it's breaking now. Come on, go lower. Okay, let's see. So 540 is the zone where I'm looking. Let's see what happens there. We are developing in the value. Now 560 is where again supply is shutting off. $543. Okay, so we have got a seller. Now we have got more buyers. More buyers coming in. This is a support zone. 560 is the level where I'm expecting buyers. Yes, they are coming in. We are seeing continuation lower. So now sellers are the one who are winning the auction. 540 is the zone where I'm looking for to add some more. Okay, come on, continue lower, because now we have got trapped buyers, so they will be adding some supply. So now this is a resistance zone, this is a resistance zone, this is the support zone. Okay, so we are developing below VWAP. Now expect continuation lower. 540 is tagged. Okay, so do we continue lower? Let's see, but this is where I'm expecting some supply now. So we have C and D poor lows. So basically shorts are trapped below it. Okay, come on, continue lower, because liquidity is here at 5,634. So I bought a put. Okay, so I bought a put. I'm just looking at this. Looking for continuation lower till this level, but nope. Okay, so I'll just be on mute and I'll just share my screen and we'll look at this trade. Let's see what happens. Currently I'm in a loss. I also added an order here, one more. Yep, supply is coming in. So this 44600 PE. Supply absorbed here. Okay, I think I'll just exit that trade. Not feeling confident yet. And it is now doing this. Just exit. Okay, so I exited because I was expecting some supply to come in. Now, what is it that I made today? About 126 and yeah, 351 to 358. So yeah, those were the two trades. Overall minuscule profit, but yep, that's so those were the two trades which I have taken today. Okay, so yep, with that I'd like to end the session for today. Do like, share, subscribe, and do let me know what you learned from today from this live session. Feel free to comment below what you learned or what's the key takeaway from your end, and I'll see you again on 14th. Yeah, okay, thank you, take care, bye for now.